Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 and let me share with you how to enable the Google Backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find About Phone. Now let's scroll down and tap on Backup and Restore. And here we've got the section with Google Backup, so let's tap on Backup and tap on Next. Tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me quickly do it and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Right here we have to decide what kind of data we want to backup, so either photos and videos or other device data, or both, it's up to you. Just mark the option and tap on Confirm and tap on Manage Backup. And here we've got the our backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So to finish everything, simply tap on Backup now, and your device will right now back up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.